చదువులమ్మ నేరుగా ప్రతి ఇంటి గడప చేరగా మీ భవితకే భరోసా దూరదర్శన్ వేదికగా తెలంగాణ రాష్ట్ర ప్రభుత్వ సహకారాలే ఉండగా హాయిగా మన చదువులు షురు అదే డిజిటల్ గురు అదే డిజిటల్ గురు.
Dear students, this is part 10 of theory of equations. సమీకరణవాదం భాగం 10. ఈవేళ కూడా ఒకటి రెండు లెక్కలు చేయడానికి ప్రయత్నిద్దాం మనము. మీ ఎక్సర్సైజ్ 4 దీనిలో పెద్ద లెక్కలు ఉంటాయి కాబట్టి కొంచెం జాగ్రత్తగా వినండి, ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయండి. 4b థర్డ్ సెక్షన్ సెకండ్ ప్రాబ్లం. ఓకే, let us solve the biquadratic equation again. One more biquadratic equation. 8x4 minus 2x cube minus 27x square plus 6x plus 9 is equal to 0, given that two roots have the same absolute value but in opposite in sign. Eight x 4 minus 2x cube minus 27x square plus 6x plus 9 is equal to 0. సమీకరణం. రెండు మూలాలు ఒకే పరమమూల్యాన్ని వ్యతిరేక గుర్తులను కలిగి ఉంటే సమీకరణాన్ని సాధించాలి. Okay. Let us understand the problem. 8x is the biquadratic equation. You will have 4 roots. Out of that, 2 roots have the same absolute value. Absolute value means the value is same but opposite in sign. Suppose alpha, you have alpha. Suppose you have minus 2. This is the absolute value, this is the sign. Okay, same absolute value but different sign. That means the other one is 2 with a different sign plus. Okay, if one is alpha, the other would be minus alpha. వ్యతిరేక గుర్తు కలిగి ఒకటే పరమ మూల్యం. ఇప్పుడు -2 అనేది ఒక సంఖ్య ఉందనుకోండి, ఇది 2 అనేది పరమమూల్యము, ఇది గుర్తు. దీని వ్యతిరేక గుర్తు ప్లస్. 2కి పరమమూల్యం సేమ్ కాబట్టి 2. అంటే ఒక మూలం కనుక -2 అయితే ఇంకో మూలం 2 అవుతుంది అని అంటున్నారు వాళ్ళు. సో మనకి మూలం ఎంతో తెలియదు కాబట్టి ఒకటి ఆల్ఫా అయితే ఇంకొకటి ఏమవుతుంది -ఆల్ఫా అవుతుంది. ఓకే, సో గివెన్ ఈక్వేషన్ రాసుకుందాము. 8x⁴ -2x³ -27x² + 6x + 9 = 0. ఇక్కడ గుణకాలు రాసుకుంటే కోఎఫిషియెంట్స్ a1 a0 = 8, a1 = -2, a2 = -27, a3 = 6, a4 = 9. Okay, let the roots be. Roots ఏమనుకుందాము, ఆల్ఫా బీటా గామా. సో 2 roots ఎలా ఉన్నాయి? One is the both the roots are equal in absolute value is same, and the equal in magnitude, but the sign is different, is it? So let us take, let beta is equal to -alpha. Okay, beta be equal to -alpha. Here plus is there, minus. The absolute value is same, so beta is equal to alpha. The value of beta is same as value of alpha. The sign of beta is plus here, so the sign of alpha will be minus. Okay, or otherwise you can also take the values roots as alpha, -alpha, beta, and gamma. Okay, this way also you can take, or you can take alpha, beta, gamma, delta, where beta is equal to -alpha. I think this is better because when you write the relations, that will be easier. So let the roots be alpha, beta, gamma, delta, and given beta is equal to -alpha. That is alpha plus beta is equal to 0. You take this as the second equation. First equation is the given equation. Let this be the first equation. Let this be the second equation, and now write the relations alpha plus beta plus gamma plus delta minus a1 by a0 minus 2 by 8. S2 is, I told you already in the last class how to write this: alpha, beta, gamma, delta, alpha into beta, alpha into plus alpha into gamma plus alpha into delta, alpha, gamma plus alpha delta plus beta gamma plus beta delta is equal to A2 is -27 by 8. -27 by 8. This is the fourth equation. S3 is product of sum of the product of roots taken 3 at a time. Alpha, beta, gamma plus alpha, beta, delta plus alpha, gamma, delta plus beta, gamma, delta, which is A3 by -A3 by A0. -A3 is -6 by 8. 2 3s are 2 4s. This is fifth equation. And this one is alpha, beta, gamma, delta, which is equal to 9 by 8. Problems in exercise 4b. We have solved one biquadratic equation in our last class. Similar problem we are going to solve today also. What is given is, solve 8x⁴ -2x³ -27x² plus 6x plus 9 is equal to 0. Given that two roots have the same absolute value but are in opposite side. What is the meaning of this? Two roots. they are equal in value. Okay, alpha is equal to beta, but are opposite in sign. If this is plus, this is minus. That is what it says. Is it okay? See, actually, for example, 4 and minus 4 are equal in their absolute value, but the signs are different. This is plus, this is minus. That is what this says. One is alpha, the other is minus beta. Alpha, the value of the absolute value of alpha is same as the absolute value of beta. But if this is plus, this has to be minus. If this is minus, this has to be plus. Okay. This is the meaning of this. సమీకరణం రెండు మూలాలు ఒకే పరమ మూల్యాన్ని వ్యతిరేక గుర్తాలు కలిగి ఉంటే సమీకరణాన్ని సాధించండి. రెండు మూలాలు ఒకే పరమ మూల్యం అంటే ఆల్ఫా బీటా సమానం అవుతుంది, కానీ వ్యతిరేక గుర్తు కలిగి ఉంటుంది. ఇది ప్లస్ అయితే ఇది మైనస్ అవుతుంది. అది ఇది ఇలా అయినప్పుడు ఆ సమీకరణాన్ని మనము సాధించాలి. సో ఫస్ట్ మనము ఇచ్చే సమీకరణాన్ని రాసుకుంటాం. 8x⁴ - 2x³ - 27x² + 6x + 9 = 0 దత్త సమీకరణం. దీని నుంచి గుణకాలను రాసుకుంటే a1 = 8, a0 = 8, a1 = -2, a2 = -27, a3 = 6 and a4 = 9. Let the roots be alpha, beta, gamma, delta, so that alpha is equal to minus beta. This is given condition. So this implies alpha plus beta is equal to 0. In equation 2 అనుకుందాము, ఈ equation 1 అనుకుందాము. Let us write the relations. What are the relations? R1 is equal to alpha plus beta plus gamma plus delta, which is equal to -2. A1 is -2, A0 is 8. So minus of -2/8 అంటే ప్లస్ అవుతుంది, 1/4 అవుతుంది. So 1/4 is equation 3. S2 alpha beta plus alpha gamma plus alpha delta plus beta gamma plus beta delta plus gamma delta. Is it not? Alpha beta gamma delta. Alpha beta, alpha gamma, alpha delta covered. Beta gamma, beta delta over the gamma delta. Okay. S3. What is S3? Alpha beta gamma plus alpha beta delta plus alpha gamma delta plus beta gamma delta. Is it not? So alpha beta gamma, alpha beta delta, alpha gamma delta plus beta gamma delta. So all four are covered, and S4 is alpha beta gamma delta. Now we shall write the values of this. What is S2? A2/N. Is it not? A2 is -27/8. -27/8. This is A3. This is minus, plus, and minus. Minus A3/A0. A3 is 6. A3 is 6/8. Okay. -3/4. And this is a product of roots is A4/A0. 9/8. So this is equation 4, this is equation 5, and this is equation 6. Okay. Now 3m. Second equation is alpha plus beta is equal to 0. Third equation is alpha plus beta plus gamma plus delta is equal to -1/4. Plus 1/4. So if you substitute here, you substitute this value here, we will get 0 plus gamma plus delta is equal to 1/4. In other words, gamma plus delta is equal to 1/4. This is equation number 7. Okay. Now, equation 5. Consider equation 5. What is equation 5? Product of three roots. Alpha, beta, gamma plus alpha, beta, delta plus alpha, gamma, delta plus beta, gamma, delta is equal to minus 3 by 4. This implies take alpha, beta common from the first two terms, and here you take gamma, delta common, you will get alpha plus beta is equal to minus 3 by 4, and I'll substitute these values here to get gamma plus delta is 1 by 4, gamma delta into 0 is equal to minus 3 by 4. Is it not? So, alpha beta by 4 is equal to minus 3 by 4. This is 0, no? That is 4 and 4 gets cancelled. This implies alpha beta is equal to minus 3. This is the next equation. Equation number 8. Now, if you go and substitute it in the previous equation, which is 5. Let this be 8. Let this be 9. Substitute in 8. Alpha beta into gamma plus delta plus gamma delta into alpha plus beta is equal to minus 3. So, what do I get here? Minus 3. No, sorry. We shall substitute this in we shall substitute this value as 4. Sixth equation. 6. Equation 6 is alpha, beta, gamma, delta is 9 by 8. So substituting this value here, minus 3 gamma delta is equal to 9 by 8, which implies 3 goes 3 times here. Gamma delta is equal to minus 3 by 8. This is 10th equation. Same absolute value, different signs. This is minus root 3, this is plus root 3. That is what the problem means. Now, remaining two roots you have to find out. Those can be found out from the relations gamma plus delta and gamma delta. What is gamma plus delta? I think it is 1 by 4. Let us verify once again. Gamma delta is 3 by 8, I think. Let us see. Gamma delta is minus 3 by 8. Minus 3 by 8. Gamma delta is minus 3 by 8. Gamma plus delta is 1 by 4. Yes. Okay. Equation number we need. Equation 10 is product. Equation 7 is okay. Now let us again consider gamma minus delta whole square, which is equal to gamma plus delta whole square minus 4 gamma delta, which is equal to 1 by 4 whole square minus 4 into minus 3 by 8, which is equal to 2 by 8. 1 by 16 plus 3 by 2, which is equal to 16. 8 plus 3 is 1 plus 16 is the LCM, 1 plus 2 is 24. 25 by 16. So, gamma minus delta is equal to 5 by 4, which is 5 by 4 whole square So plus or minus 5 by 4. So again we take 7 and this is equation number 7, this is 11, this is 12. Equation. So gamma plus delta is equal to gamma minus delta. Equation 7, equation 12. Equation 7 and equation 12. 7. Gamma plus delta value. This is gamma minus delta value. Gamma plus delta is 1 by 4. Gamma minus delta is plus 5 by 4 or minus 5 by 4. Can be either plus 5 by 4 or minus 5 by 4. So add 2 gamma is equal to 6 by 4. 2 3s are 6. So gamma is equal to 3 by 4. If gamma is equal to 3 by 4, gamma plus delta is equal to 1 by 4. Delta is equal to 1 by 4 minus gamma. 1 by 4 minus 3 by 4. Just 2 by 4 minus 2 by 4. Minus 1 by 2. So delta is equal to minus 1 by 2. If you add these two, you will get 2 gamma is equal to minus 4 by 4. That is minus 1. Gamma is equal to minus half. So gamma plus delta is equal to 1 by 4. Delta is equal to 1 by 4 minus gamma. 1 by 4 plus half equal to 4. So this is 3. So delta is equal to 3 by 4. So what are the two roots now? Minus half and 3 by 4. So roots are minus half, 3 by 4, and previously we got plus root 3, minus 4. These are the 4 roots. Okay. Did you understand? Okay. Now, do an assignment. Try this problem. Exercise 4B, third section. Third problem. I'll just give you a hint and you solve by yourselves. Solve 18x cube plus 81x square plus 121x plus 60 is equal to 0. Given that one root is equal to half the sum of the remaining roots. (18x cube plus 81x square plus 121x plus 60 is equal to 0. సమీకరణం ఒక మూలం తక్కిన రెండు మూలాల మొత్తానికి సమానమైతే మొత్తం రెండు మూలాల మొత్తంలో సగమైతే సమీకరణాన్ని సాధించాలి. ఇంకేంటంటే ఇది ఎన్నో తరగతి సమీకరణము? మూడో తరగతి సమీకరణం. ఇట్ ఈస్ a third degree equation, so you have the roots as alpha, beta, be the roots. ఇవి రూట్స్ అనుకున్నాం, మూలాలు అనుకోండి. Let alpha, beta, gamma be the roots. What does he say? What does he say? He is saying that what is he saying? He is saying that one root is equal to half the sum of the remaining roots. One root, let alpha be equal to sum of the remaining roots, half of this. that means half of the sum of the remaining roots. One root is equal to sum of the remaining roots, half of the sum of the remaining roots. So half into beta plus gamma, which is 2 alpha is equal to beta plus gamma. With this, you continue and solve the problem. Okay, try to solve this problem. ఏమన్నారు, ఒక మూలం తక్కిన రెండు మూలాల మొత్తంలో సగం, ఒక మూలం ఆల్ఫా ఇస్ ఈక్వల్ టు మిగిలిన రెండు మూలాలు ఏంటి బీటా గామా, మొత్తము అంటే ప్లస్ బీటా ప్లస్ గామా, అందులో సగం కాబట్టి హాఫ్ ఇంటూ బీటా ప్లస్ గామా. ఆల్ఫా దేనికి సమానం అవుతుంది, హాఫ్ ఇంటూ బీటా ప్లస్ గామా సమానం అవుతుంది, అంటే 2 ఆల్ఫా ఇస్ ఈక్వల్ టు బీటా ప్లస్ గామా. దీనితోటి ఇది వాడి ఈ సమీకరణాన్ని సాధించండి. దిస్ ఈస్ యువర్ అసైన్మెంట్ for today. Okay, thank you. We shall meet in the next class.